If you do these 8 things, you're probably in the top 5% of students and don't even realize it. Sign number 1. You get bored in lectures. Your brain processes patterns faster than the teacher explains. That's not attention deficit. That's pattern recognition. Sign number 2. You question the textbook. Most students memorize. You ask why and how do they know that? Psychology calls this critical thinking. Sign number 3. You prefer studying alone. Group study is a nightmare. This isn't antisocial, it's deep work capability. Your brain needs focus, not socializing. Sign number 4. You connect concepts across subjects. You see patterns between history, math, and science. Teachers call it off-topic. Psychology calls it systems thinking. Einstein called it genius. Sign number 5. You learn better by teaching. When you explain something, it suddenly clicks. That's the Feynman technique. Most students repeat facts. You rebuild understanding. Sign number 6. You procrastinate strategically. You do assignments last minute, but they turn out great. Your subconscious was processing the whole time. Psychology calls this incubation. Sign number 7. You ask why more than what. Most students memorize formulas. You need to understand why they work. That's curiosity-driven learning, the trait of every innovator in history. Sign number 8. You struggle with Busywork. Copying notes, filling worksheets, doing 50 problems when you got it after 5. Intelligence seeks challenge. When there's none, motivation dies. These aren't flaws. They're signs your brain works differently than the system expects. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're wired for the top 5%. The education system rewards compliance. Your proving intelligence doesn't fit in a box. Comment which sign describes you most. Subscribe if you're done feeling like school wasn't built for your brain.